to my channel. I am Annie and you're watching Forever with Honey. Let's get begin. Hello guys, today we are going to make the Mario Run logo. This will look like this. So we are going to make this. So let's create a artboard and select the background solid colors to appear the shadows of the logo. Now select a circle and adjust it in the center. Now deselect the border for it and add shadows. Now copy the circle. Now make the second circle small, then the first circle. It will look like this. Now we will add the image. You can download it from the Google. Place it in the center. Now add the text. And make the color of text to white and place it under the image. Now we will add another text. We will add the letters so we can rotate it. will rotate the text. Adjust it first. The line drawn from the center will help you to align the text in the center. Now rotate the text. Now delete this line. It will look like this. Now we will add the rectangles. Now make it black and make the opacity of the rectangle to 60. First we will align all the rectangles. Adjust all the rectangles. Now bring the image over the rectangles. Place all the rectangles below the image, so it will go backwards to the image. Okay, now it's done. If you want, you can add more, but it is for my next tutorial, which will be soonly uploaded. So that's all for this video. Watch the full tutorial of this game GUI on the next. As you now watch the full video, if you like the video, give a thumbs up and share with your friends. And if you are new user watching my YouTube channel, please press the red subscribe button, because in future I will upload more content like this on my YouTube channel, and press the bell icon. It will notify you when I upload a new video. So stay tuned to my YouTube channel to get knowledge.